how to make money on TikTok in 2021. Today I'm going to go through 3 ways that you can make money on TikTok, and I'm going to start with the easiest ways that you can do it, and you don't need a lot of followers. From here, my name's Scott Polderman, and this is my YouTube channel, and right now we are looking at my TikTok channel. I started this channel a little less than 2 months ago and took it from 0 views and 0 followers to almost 145,000 followers, and over 5 million video views. So it can certainly be done. So let's jump into it. The first way, and the one I think is the easiest, if you look right here on my page, what you'll find is that I send people to different offers, right? So for instance, right down here in Doing What You Love, I'm holding my mouse over this. What I do is send people right here to tick60.com. So what is tick60.com? Well, if I type in tick60, which is my domain, it takes them to my free training right here, 60-second leads. And basically what I'm doing is offering something of value for free. And in this case, I teach people exactly how to go from 0 followers, 0 views, and both grow their following and grow their business. And I do that here. So if people want to do it, they click here and enter their email. I then collect that email address, give them the free training, and also some of the tools that I use. And this is really called affiliate marketing. So I'm going to go back here. And what I do is I collect emails. I also have a link in my bio that you can get once you have 1,000 followers. So this is one of the easiest ways. And I really only promote products that I use, right? For instance, I do fasting and keto. So that's one area that I send a lot of people to is a great product for keto. So it works out really well, but you can send people anywhere. And the way I do it is I just head over to Namecheap and buy a short domain, and then I have that forwarded. And I teach how to do that in my course for free. So if you go to 60secondleads.com or that Tick60, it will take you there. But that is the first way that you can earn money, is by sending people to affiliate offers. I just like to collect their email address first so that I can communicate and stay in contact with them. The second way that you can make money on TikTok takes a little bit of time. It took me less than a month, but you need to get over 10,000 followers. Once you get over 10,000 followers, then you can join something called the TikTok Creator Fund. And what they do is they pay you basically for making videos, and you get paid by the view. And that takes, once again, a little bit of time, but I did it, like I said, in less than 30 days. And once you hit that 10,000, that magic number, then you start making money from TikTok as well. So that creator fund is really awesome, and I think it's definitely a goal that you should shoot for. The third way to make money on TikTok, and it's probably my favorite, is to basically create accounts for local businesses. Right now, local businesses can use all of the marketing that they can get, and you can literally set up a TikTok account for them very quickly. And you can offer a couple different programs. One, set up an account, $99. It'll take you less than 20 minutes to do that. The other is set up an account and offer to do content for them. I'll offer to manage it, and that can be anywhere from $200 to $500 per month. So it can be really, really lucrative. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. You simply go in. I'm going to choose restaurants, for instance, in Fort Lauderdale. I'm just going to Google this. I'm going to hit return. And then right here are some of the different restaurants. I'm going to view all of these here. And what I'm going to do is look through and say, okay, wow, there's a ton of restaurants. Let's go to, I'm going to right click coconuts. Oh, right here, I'm going to click coconuts. And here, I'm going to right click, open that in a new tab. That way I keep this here. And as we go over here to coconuts, what you can see is here is the actual restaurant. And what we want to do is contact them. and say, hey, I set up TikTok accounts and manage TikTok accounts. And if you're not sure how to do any of that, go through my free training, that's 60secondleads.com. There'll be a link either below this video or to the left of it in the description here. But basically, what you're going to do is say, hey, I noticed you don't have a TikTok account. And of course, check and make sure that they do or don't have one. And all you have to do is go to TikTok right here. And I could type in right here, coconuts, Fort Lauderdale. And search. And there's nothing. You're going to find that most local businesses do not have anything. And that's all you're going to do is just send them a quick message. You can also do this search on Facebook, and it's a great way to help local businesses stand out and in their market. And basically what you're going to do is you're going to set up their page, and if you're going to make the videos, you don't have to show your face. You can just ask them, hey, send me video clips that are 15 seconds long of your bar, of the patrons, of the restaurant, of the food. Many different ways that you can do this. But once again, you don't need a ton of followers in order to, make money on TikTok. And especially right now, it's a golden opportunity because you can have literally no views, no followers, and build that up in literally a month. You can have thousands. TikTok is letting new creators grow rather quickly. So if you like this video, hit that subscribe button and also that thumbs up. And I'll leave a link once again to my free training that can show you exactly how to set up a TikTok account the right way. Thanks for watching. Make it a great day.